So we got this gift from our eldest khala. This is from my type store. अब हम देखते हैं कि इसमें है क्या. Looks like the packing is so good. Welcome to the family. It is a journal, baby journal. They have packed it so well कि ये ख़राब ना हो जाए during delivery. And this color looks so good. I'm loving the quality and the packing of this journal. This is a thank you card from my type store. Hello tiny human. So let's open this journal and see what's inside. बाइंडिंग इसकी बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी की हुई है इन्होंने. अब हम इसके पेजेस भी देखते हैं. The pages are of so classic. First we have to tick mark the due date of the baby and the name of the baby. Then comes its contents. ओके सबसे पहले हमें नेम की स्टोरी बतानी पड़ेगी कि किस किस ने क्या क्या नाम सजेस्ट किए. देन कौन सा नाम हमने सिलेक्ट किया और उसका मतलब और वो किसने सजेस्ट किया. नाइस. here we will attach our picture. Then there is a description of mommy and daddy, pregnancy memories, ultrasound. I think ultrasound pictures will be attached there. Baby bump pictures, yeah, I have taken them. And first photos, first scans. And here we will attach the first photo of Yumna. These are the there will be written details about her. Birth bracelets that hospital has given them. Hand and footprints. Lot of pictures taken, family photos and family information, family tree from the mommy side and from the daddy side. And here comes the part 2, first year, journey of first 3 months, journey of second 3 months, and so on. So it is so good. Pages are of high quality. They have used top quality pages, I must say. Then comes first birthday wishes and the cards we have to keep, pictures. Every first experience we will attach there. Every first experience of Yumna. Part 4 is about growing up. Then comes second birthday and so on. It is till I guess it is till 5 year. And after that the baby will read it. And I think ये बच्चों के लिए बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है कि वो फिर अपना सारा जो वो मेमोरीज़ उसके माइंड में नहीं रहती हैं तो वो इस जर्नल को पढ़ने के बाद उसे पता चल देगा कि हाउ शी ग्रू अप. एंड इट इज़ सच अ ट्रेजर फॉर द बेबी एंड द पेरेंट्स.